Cybercriminals never stand still. They're constantly finding new ways to threaten your online safety. So when it comes to antivirus, you need to know that the service you choose can keep up with these ever-changing dangers. In this video, we'll see if Bitdefender has what it takes to keep you protected online. I'll give you a look into their plans and pricing, their pros and cons, as well as which features I think could be improved. By the end of this video, I hope you'll have the information you need to decide whether Bitdefender is the right antivirus choice for you. And if you think it might be right for you, then check the affiliate link I've left in the description below to get yourself a discount that's not available by going directly to Bitdefender's site. So let's jump right in. If you haven't heard of Bitdefender, well, for over 2 decades, they've established themselves as one of the most trusted names in cybersecurity, offering antivirus and internet security solutions since 2001, with features like malware protection, ransomware protection, and real-time threat monitoring to keep you safe from evolving online dangers. Bitdefender has you covered, whether you're protecting your personal devices or running a business. But what really sets Bitdefender apart is that despite it being packed with helpful tools like advanced parental controls, a built-in VPN, and system optimization features, it's still super simple to install, easy to use, and it doesn't slow down your devices. So it's great whether you're a power user or just someone who needs reliable security without the hassle. Bitdefender has been a go-to option for millions worldwide seeking dependable online protection, while strong performance in independent security tests helps bring that little bit of extra peace of mind. So now let's dig a little deeper and explore some of the service options that Bitdefender offers. First up, it's great that they have a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of Bitdefender's plans, so you can try any one of them risk-free. There's also a totally free version, which is actually a strong contender for being the best antivirus software out there, offering strong but basic protection for Windows, Android, and Mac. Though of course, while free protection's certainly better than nothing, if you want to be proactive about safeguarding your sensitive data, then investing in a subscription service should be your first choice, as you'll receive a whole suite of protection services that no free version can even come close to matching. So for regular Windows users, meaning you're not a business or a systems manager, the recommended plan is Bitdefender Antivirus Plus. It costs $30 for the first year and covers 3 devices. With Antivirus Plus, your Windows PC will be protected from malware and adware while receiving scans for all the usual threats like viruses, worms, and trojans. Plus the nastier stuff like ransomware, zero-day exploits, rootkits, and spyware. Also included are some great privacy tools like a built-in VPN, plus your online shopping, banking, and other transactions can be kept secure using Bitdefender's SafePay protected browser. While outdated software, unsafe system settings, missing Windows security patches, and other security issues like that can be scanned for with the Vulnerability Assessment tool. And to catch problematic apps, there's a feature called Advanced Threat Defense. This continuously monitors for suspicious activities running in the processes on your computer. Things like copying files or installing drivers that might try to monitor your activity. They also have a ransomware protection feature, which helps you make backups of your most important files so you're protected from data loss if anything happens. If, however, you're like me and you use multiple platforms, then Bitdefender Total Security Protection covers up to 5 devices across all operating systems. So you can use it on my Windows PC, on my Mac, Android phone, iOS devices like iPads. Bitdefender Total Security costs $60 for the first year, and this is the subscription that I went for because, like I said, it runs on all platforms and includes everything in the Antivirus Plus plan with the addition of a device optimizer. As for Windows users with children, the Bitdefender Premium Security Plan could well be the best option. This package can be used by an individual at $80 for first year on up to 5 devices. Or with the family option, it's $100 for the first year and you can cover 5 separate accounts, giving an impressive total of 25 protected devices. The premium security package brings advanced safety features, including a firewall that protects your network connection and personal information from hackers. For power users, the firewall has a number of advanced functions, but don't worry, if you're not so tech savvy, it's still extremely efficient on its own automatic settings. The premium plan's parental controls help you shield your children from potentially harmful content, limit screen time, and provide an overview of what they're doing online. It's easy to remotely see what your children are up to on the web by simply logging in to Bitdefender Central. Then, last but certainly not least, there's Bitdefender Ultimate Security Plus plan, which costs $90 in the first year. If you want the most comprehensive protection across all your devices, covering everything from antivirus protection to VPN password management and more, this could be the plan for you. On top of advanced malware protection, this package adds identity theft protection, monitoring for your social security number, and even a reassuring $1 million in identity theft insurance. The Ultimate Individual package will give you coverage for up to 5 devices across Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, while the Family tier expands this coverage to 25 devices, making it ideal for your typical household or even a small business. With round-the-clock support, easy-to-manage features, and high-level security, Bitdefender Ultimate Security Plus plan offers the greatest peace of mind in an all-in-one solution. So as a reminder, if you decide that you want to try Bitdefender, then check out the affiliate links down below. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get our discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. So we've been looking at the options, but what's the day-to-day experience like using Bitdefender? Well, I've got Total Security installed on all my devices, though I should point out that the installation on my PC took a bit longer due to the large file size. But it's still manageable and straightforward even for less tech-savvy users. Once installed, the app is easy to figure out, with a clear dashboard showing your status and quick actions. The 3 main tabs, Protection, Privacy, and Utilities, make it easy to find everything from real-time antivirus tools to system optimization. Starting with the Protection tab, I ran a few scans to see how Bitdefender holds up against new threats. They offer 4 scan types: a quick scan, which takes about 3 minutes to check around 3,000 files, a full system scan, which checks around 150,000 files in under 30 minutes, a custom scan, and a vulnerability scan. Their scans found all the test files and ran smoothly without draining my system. Now in the Privacy tab, this is where you can access tools like the VPN, which offers a fast connection with 4,000 plus servers in over 50 countries around the world, safe pay for secure online payments, their excellent parental controls, and a lot more. Their anti-theft options impressed me, and it's great that they work on both PCs and mobile devices via Bitdefender Central. There are even extra features like an anti-tracker extension and social network protection. Lastly, the Utilities tab. Device optimization, file shredding, and profile management tools can all be found here. With different performance profiles for different activities like gaming, these tools adapt to your hardware and your current needs. One quirk I did notice was that while Bitdefender's tools worked well on my devices, the mobile app isn't as optimized for iOS as it is for Android. Still, Bitdefender excels at blocking threats and maintaining strong multi-layer ransomware protection. But Bitdefender is far from being the only antivirus solution on the market, so how does it stack up against its rivals? Well, Norton, which I recently tested, is also a user-friendly solution which works well across platforms. Both have strong customer support, but Bitdefender ranks ahead with its expert community, a platform for solving specific user issues. Norton tends to cater more towards businesses, meaning Bitdefender is usually the more budget-friendly option, especially for home users. And as you'd expect from these two well-established companies, both are effective at handling malware, but Bitdefender performed better in terms of scan speed and resource usage. And while Norton's VPN and password tools are stronger, Bitdefender often earns top ratings in independent tests for its anti-phishing, anti-ransomware, and spam protection. And Bitdefender offers better performance overall for my personal use in my experience. So, after digging into Bitdefender and checking out all that it has to offer, I'm delighted to report that they are one of the top online security products available. As I mentioned earlier, there's a free version available, and it's probably the best free antivirus software available anywhere. But it's still only a free service with limited options, whereas subscribers get a huge amount of choice, from plans that cover a range of devices, volumes, and budgets. It's great to have the reassurance that all corners of your online life are covered with their extensive suite of antivirus software, and you don't need advanced computer skills to be able to use it. Having relied on Bitdefender to keep all of my devices safe for a while, I'm pleased to report that it is very capable at detecting, preventing, and destroying those new online digital threats. Like I mentioned, if you decide that you want to try out Bitdefender, you can use the affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get a bit of a discount that you don't get by going directly to their website. And that wraps up this video. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so leave any questions or comments down below and I'll get back to them as fast as I can. Finally guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.